They ain't noticed me. That's facts. Got a little photo. I got this mix.
Today's wig comes from UniceHair. I will have it linked below in the description box. Let's unbox it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like straight out the box. Here's everything you get inside. As you can see, it has that pre-cut lace. It also has a slightly tinted lace. This lace is a little bit darker than lace that I have used before. We're gonna see how that blends. And it automatically comes with that middle parting. They also added the tape on the sides. Now the cap construction on the wig that I have is their older version. So when you go to the website, you will notice that the link will say invisible strap. Their wig is now upgraded to an invisible strap. So the cap is no longer available for this wig. Check the link in the description box, but this is what my cap construction looked like. Hey guys, so this is a water wave texture. This is what it looks like. This is one of their best sellers on their website right now. It's very popular. I'll show you exactly how it looks after we have defined the curls and everything, but this is what the curls look like straight out the box. It's really pretty, super thick. I will have all the specs for this wig down in the description box. Open up the description box and read everything there. You're down there, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe, please, if you're new here. My name is Marie. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The curls are so pretty. I really like this a lot. Look how beautiful they are straight out the box. I'm gonna go ahead and install. So let me show you the parting space that you get. So if you wanted to do a side part, you get good parting space on both sides of it. Look at that. And it goes all the way to about right here before you start to hit the weft hair. Remove this paper. Now if you have tweezers, it'll probably work out if you don't have nails. Now right here, I'm gonna give you all a tip. Save my hairline. I always get a wig cap that matches my forehead and I will pull it further in front of my natural hairline. And if you need to, what you can do is go here. So you would just take a little bit of foundation, just go over the wig cap so it matches your forehead. So just kind of blend that. You don't need a lot. And then you will take the wig and slide it right there. Now the lace is laying on the actual wig cap. We're going to take the tape and go ahead and stick it down. Press that. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Now if you are wearing any type of makeup or anything, it's gonna be hard for the tape to stay completely. That's what we're gonna do the next step. Put his hair back. I'm gonna take my Sticky Little Secret melting spray. I will have this link in the description box. This is a really good spray for hiding any lace that you see. The lace on this is really good and the hairline is perfect already, but to take it to the next step, you always want to add a little bit of melting spray around that hairline. So something very unique about this wig with their water wave is they added the Jerry curl mixed with the water wave. So this is a new texture for them. And like I told you at the beginning, so this texture has been very popular on their website. So if you can see, there are spirals and there are waves, a more full, juicier look when it comes to the curls. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and define the curls. I have a little bit of water and conditioner in the bottle. Just gonna spray the hair down. Take my unbrush and we're gonna brush the hair out. Sometimes when you get your curly wigs straight out the box or your wavy styles, they can be a little dry. So you wanna make sure to do that step as far as putting water and conditioner on the hair. It's been really hot lately, so I can imagine how the humidity can dry the hair out while in travel. And this is just my opinion, maybe it's just me. These continuous mist bottles are great, but I'm starting to miss my regular spray bottle. The one that, yeah, I'm starting to miss those. I feel like sometimes it takes forever to get the hair wet with these bottles. They used to be good, but now I'm starting to like really want to go back to the regular spray bottle. I feel like I can get it done faster. Not saying that continuous mist bottles aren't good, it's just they're great for refreshing the hair more so than trying to do what I'm doing right now. All right, I'm gonna take some hair mousse. Take about that much and add it down the hair. This hair is super long. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description box for you. I'm gonna brush that product through. I'm gonna scrunch the hair up, put the product through it. This is what it looks like when it's wet. All right, so let's diffuse it. Show you the back. So I have this big chunky diffuser. And this is going to help also give a little bit more volume to the hair. You can let it air dry if you would like. That's usually what I do. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and diffuse it for you. Alright, so this is what the finished result look like, y'all. The hairline. And this is 100% dry, so it still have that slight wet look. The curls are super full. Let me show you what the back look like. I really like this. This is super pretty. If you're looking for that really full curly hair that has a lot of body, then this jerry curl mixed with water wave texture is very, very pretty. I like the new texture. So I can also create a half up, half down style with this wig. So you do have styling options besides just wearing it down. I can do like a top bun if I want to. Now remember, the one on the website is the new invisible strap. I don't have that one, but with that one you can actually pull it up into a high bun. It look a whole lot more natural than just using the cap that I have. So if you like to pull your hair up, then that cap definitely will work better than. And just like that, you have a nice style that you can pull up. I really like this. Like the curl pattern is super gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Alright, so again, this wig is from UniceHair. I will be sure to link it below. The pros and cons when it comes to this hair, the pros is that the curl pattern is really pretty. It comes pre-ready for you guys, so you don't even have to do anything like cutting the lace. You don't have to worry about too much of melting the lace, because I do feel like the lace will blend. And if not, you guys know what to do. Curls are gorgeous. I love the new curls. The only con I find with the hair is that if you are not into big hair, you could probably get slightly frustrated with the amount of curls that's in this hair. Are they hard to work with? I would honestly say just use an unbrush. Deal with this type of texture. You will experience just a little bit of interlocking with the hair, and to be more gentle is a texture that's mixed with curly and wavy, so it's a lot going on there. But overall, the hair is absolutely gorgeous. Again, it will be linked below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for joining me back, and I will see you back in this video. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel, where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks. And also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.